Hi guys, today I will be doing a review on the Banish Kit. I received all of these items from Banish. I will show you in a little bit which ones they are. But as you guys can see, my skin is doing a lot better. But I still have like hyperpigmentation and redness and some scars. So Banish was kind enough to send me this kit, and now I'm going to give it a try, and I'm gonna show you guys my progress along the way. So if you guys would like to see how I use this and my progress, just keep on watching. So here is everything that I have from the Banish kit. The first step is to put the pore smasher in the freezer, which I am going to do right now. Just going to leave it there while I do my mask. So I have my pore smasher here, and it says to soak in alcohol for 5 minutes. So let me go ahead and there it is, and it is completely getting soaked, as you guys can see right here. And right now it is 9:45, so I'm gonna let it soak for 5 minutes. It is now 9:50, and the pore smasher has been soaking in the alcohol for 5 minutes. Now it says to let it air dry, so I'm gonna let it air dry right there while I do the next step, which is I'm going to be applying the activated charcoal clay mask to my face. I'm only going to apply it to this area right here. Let me go ahead and put my hair in a little ponytail. I'm going to wait until this dries out, about 15 to 20 minutes. And then when it dries out, I'm going to wash it with lukewarm water, and I'm going to pat dry it with some paper towels. So I'll see you guys in about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to go rinse this off, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I just rinsed it off, and this is how my face looks, and it's still a little bit damp. And it suggests to dry your face with a paper towel, which is what I have right here. Okay, so let me show you guys the before. Okay, so I have my pore smasher right here. I just got it out of the freezer, and I am going to just cleanse it because I don't know, I'm a little paranoid. So I'm going to clean this really fast. Let that air dry a little bit. And it just says to roll. What you're trying to do is just numb the areas. So now I have my roller right here. Now it just says to roll in one direction for 4 to 5 times and then alternate, kind of do like an asterisk sign. So I'm going to go up and down on this side first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going like this. So that side is done. As you guys can see, it's pretty red. Now I'm going to do this side. These are just scars. This is not active acne actually. These are just scars, not active acne, just in case you were wondering. This is also a scar. It's not active acne. I got a lot of hate on my previous video because I had acne. I really didn't think it was acne, it was just scars. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So there you go. And this is it. This is how my skin looks. This was my very first time using this Banisher kit. Okay, so right now, since it's used, I'm going to put it in some rubbing alcohol in the container right here. And it says to let it soak for around another 5 more minutes, and then when that's done, just let it air dry. And the Banisher can only be used about 3 to 4 times. So it has right here on the instructions. So I'm going to check after each use. It says right here, so I'm going to check number 1, and then we are good. There we go. I've checked this one right here. So this can be used once a week. So this will be my first time using it. I'll use it 2 more times and then I'll show you my end results. Now it says that after you're done, you can put drops of Banish oil right here. Put some onto your palm, rub it and pat it. And there you go. This was my very first time using the Banisher. I will be using it for 2 more times, a total of 3 times, and then I'll show you my end results. So I'll see you guys on my next time that I use it. Hi guys, so today is the second time that I will be using my Banish kit. I already have it soaking in alcohol right here. Going to let it soak for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to be doing this for the remaining of the 5 minutes, just to numb up my skin. I'm going to speed this up because it's squeaky and pretty annoying in my opinion. Okay, so I already let it air dry. So now I am just going to start using it. So now I'm going to get started. Okay, so now I'm going to soak it in the alcohol again for another 5 minutes and then let it air dry. And this is session number 2. This is how my skin is looking. And it says to put Banish oil. Once you're done, rub it on your fingers and just pat it. So this is how my skin looks right now. I just wanted to show you guys how red it gets. Well guys, that is it for this mini clip. I will see you guys on the 3rd session, which will be next week. Okay guys, so I am done doing the banisher on my face. Now I'm going to put some Banish oil on my face. And that is it. This is how my skin looks after doing the banisher for the 3rd time. I will see you guys in a couple of days when the redness has faded away so that I can show you guys my end results. Hi guys, so this is my final update from me doing the Banish kit. I have recovered from doing the Dermaroller, and this is how my skin looks. I just wanted to show you guys my end results. So this will be it. This is this side. And this is this side. I have a new friend right here, as you guys can see. I just got it yesterday, so that has nothing to do with the Dermaroller or Banish Kit. So this is how my skin is looking so far. I do see an improvement, but I think I still need to keep doing the Dermaroller a couple more times before I can see more results. My skin is very deeply scarred, as you guys can see. So yeah, I think I might just buy another kit, because that kit said that you could only use it 3 to 4 times. It says 3 on the booklet. The booklet indicates to only use it 3 times, so I've already done my limit. It's been 3 times since I've used it, and these are the end results. So you guys can judge by yourselves, and you guys tell me in the comments if you guys saw a difference or not. I will be linking in the description box the website for the Banish Kit if you guys are interested. Well guys, that was my results, and that was my review for the Banish Kit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did it the right way this time, so you guys don't have to give me so much hate for my previous video that I made using the Dermaroller for a whole week. Well guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye everyone.